front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on apps over here and choose App Cloner. Then tap on one of those available apps, in my case Facebook, and click on the switcher next to Create App Clone. Now you need to wait a bit. And then choose Rename App Clone. Over here you can type in wherever you wish to and save your changes by tapping on Save. Now when I go back and try to access Facebook, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!